Hello everybody, welcome back to this channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to install app on external storage. So let's begin on it. So firstly you just need to open on your phone settings and then go your my device. There have an option my device, open on it. So at first you need to open on developer option. So for that you just need to scroll down and go on all space, then again scroll down, and there have an option for MIUI version. You need to tap on this again just 4 times, and then there you can see you are now a developer. So let's back and go on settings list. Now scroll down and you need to go on additional settings. There have an option, so select on it. Now there have an option developer option, open on this developer option. Now again scroll down, go on the last position and just scroll, and then there have an option for force allow apps to write on. You need to enable this option, and now your apps already installed on external storage. So I hope you can understand. And now if you install a apps and it's already go on your SD card, so I hope you can understand and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.